Good morning, friends. Today we are going to read a book called The Crayon's Book of Numbers. The author of this book is Drew Daywalt, and the illustrator is Oliver Jeffers. Duncan's 10 crayons have gone missing. Can you help find them for him and count along the way? 1 crayon. Start coloring inside the lines. 2 crayons. I like coloring crocodiles. 3 crayons. I am the true color of the sun. 4 crayons. Don't listen to yellow crayon. I am the true color of the sun. 5 crayons. I am tired of being called light brown. 6 crayons. Could you please use me sometime to color in a dinosaur? 7 crayons. Being the favorite color can be tough sometimes. 8 crayons. I need a rest. 9 crayons. I can do more than just outline things. 10 crayons. Elephants are a big space to color all by myself. Hooray! You found all 10 of Duncan's crayons. Duncan and his crayons are very happy. What are your favorite colors? And what do you use your crayons for?